On today's show, we're going to create ourselves a delicious and refreshing adult beverage, the Abacos Bar and Grill's Tropical Mojito. I'm your host, David Murray. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. We've got everything we need sitting right here. So let's go ahead and get started on our Tropical Mojito right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our Tropical Mojito. We've got all our ingredients sitting right here. Let's take a look at what we've got right here. This is our Tropical Elixir, which has 7 rums and just a touch of apricot brandy. Then right here we've got some white rum, which is, use whatever white rum you want. This is Papa Pilar's vanilla rum. Pretty good, delicious. Right here we've got some blue curacao. We got a little agave nectar club soda. We got some lime leaves right here that we just kind of sort of grabbed out of our herb garden. We got some sugar and we've got some fresh limes, a little bit of water, and I think that's all we're gonna. Oh, we got a little bit of ice right there. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and get started on the first part of preparation. I'm gonna come in here with, I don't know, maybe 2 teaspoons of sugar, just like that. And we've got, I think we got about 8 to 10 little lime leaves right there. Actually, it might be 6 to 8 I've got in there. And now we're gonna come in here with the old muddler and we're gonna begin to work our lime leaves and kind of sort of get all that flavor out of the lime. So we come in here just like so. Okay, now I tell you what, let's see here. I'm going to take that out. We're going to add just a little bit of water. Essentially, you're going to create kind of a simple syrup. So, a couple of teaspoons of water. Simple syrup is equal parts of sugar and water. You boil it down, let it cool, and boom, you got yourself a simple syrup you can use. Now we're going to come in with about a ½ ounce or so of fresh lime juice like that. It'd probably be easier if I had my squeezer, but anyway, I don't. So anywho, now I'm going to come back in here, finish this up, kind of give it a good muddle as we go and kind of get that sugar dissolved. Now I am, instead of just plain white sugar, I've got more of an extra fine sugar, so hopefully that will take care of dissolving. It's getting there. Yes, it is. So now we're going to come in with our Tropical Elixir, which is our rum mix. I'm going to come in with about 1 ounce of that, like so. And now I'm going to come in with our white or vanilla rum. Again, use whatever rum you want. So we're going to come in here with 1 ounce of that. So we're going to have a total of 2 ounces of our spirits. And now we'll come in here with our curacao, add that, another ounce of that. So we've got 2 ounces of our alcohol, our spirits, our rum, 1 ounce of our curacao. Now we're going to come in here. Let's see here. We're going to make a noise. We're going to come in with a quarter, ½ ounce of agave nectar. Not too much. It's going to just help take a little bit of the acid away. Almost done. Yes, sir. Just like this. Now I'm going to come in, give it a good shake. Boom. Pop that loose. Now we're going to come in here with our ice and our glass. Now, if you're making a bunch of these, you probably want a scoop. This is this is going to be for me. Now, you know what, I'm going to add, get everything I can out of that mixing glass. This comes in just like so. Now we'll come in with a little bit of club soda. Boom. Top that off. Bingo, just like that. And now we're just going to give a re-pour. Check that out. Doesn't that look good? Oh man. Wow. And miraculously, we have ourselves a little bit of garnish like so. Got a little palm tree. Isn't that awesome? So there you go, right there. How quick and simple was that? That is Abacos Bar and Grill's Tropical Mojito. Man, I have to give that a little shot here in a second. here, Abaco Bar and Grill's Tropical Mojito. I tell you, I keep looking at it. I think I'm going to have to give that a little bit of a taste. Let's see what we got here. Oh my, that's delicious. Yes, it is. You talking about refreshing. You get the mint, you get the lime, and you get the rums, obviously, and you get a little bit of agave nectar. Hey, if you want the recipe, check out the description down below, and right down there you can take a look at the video, and you also get the recipe of our tropical elixir, which you can make all kind of great rum punches from a Gourmet smash, Bahama Mama. Obviously you can make our tropical elixir, and then boom, right there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It all does help. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see y'all soon.